Welcome back to my channel. Hello beautiful viewers, have you ever wondered how to achieve those enviable, glossy hair naturally? Well, today is the day you find out. In this video, I'm sharing a fantastic DIY hair mask that not only promises healthier and shinier hair but also holds the potential for longer and thicker hair.
Before we continue, take a moment and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for future notifications, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Link is in the description down below.
In a pan, add 1/4 cup of flax seeds, along with 2 cups of filtered water. Bring it to a boil and let it simmer on low flame for 10 minutes or until the mixture thickens to a gel-like consistency. After 10 minutes, turn off the flame and let it cool down completely. Strain the gel using a fine mesh strainer or cheesecloth to separate the seeds from the gel. You'll have your own homemade flaxseed gel. Now take fresh aloe vera and scoop out its gel. In a blender, add 1/2 cup of fresh aloe vera gel and 1 cup of cooked rice. Blend everything together until it forms a smooth, creamy consistency. Transfer the mixture into a bowl and add your flaxseed gel in it. Mix until everything is well combined. Now add 2 tablespoons of rosemary infused oil that we prepared in our last video. Apply the mask from scalp to the lengths of your hair generously. Massage it into your scalp to stimulate blood circulation. Leave for an hour. After an hour, use lukewarm water to thoroughly wash out the mask, and follow up with your shampoo and conditioner routine.